And the BJP has escalated following the suspension of the 4 opposition MLAs. The BJP has now filed a complaint with the police over the ruckus that rocked the assembly yesterday. BJP MLA Shantanu Pramanik, accompanied by Shankar Ghosh, filed this complaint against the marshals, alleging that they brutally attacked, abused and hurled casteist remarks at the party legislatures. That's the latest that's coming in. Remember, yesterday the West Bengal Assembly had seen massive ruckus, after which the Speaker had suspended 4 BJP MLAs. They had protested outside the Assembly, saying we were not allowed to speak. My colleague Ridhita is joining us for more on this. Ridhita, this BJP versus TMC tussle is now deepening after the ruckus that we witnessed yesterday in the Assembly. But as far as the BJP is concerned and the response by TMC is concerned, what are you hearing and what's the police saying on this particular complaint that has been filed by the BJP MLAs?
As we understand that today being the last day of the monsoon session, we are seeing that the BJP MLAs who have been suspended yesterday, the 4 BJP MLAs, Agnimitra Paul, Mihir Goswami, Shankar Ghosh and Deepak Burman, these are the 4 MLAs who was suspended yesterday by the Speaker Biman Banerjee, and where forceful action was taken by the marshal to move them apart from. So today they are again protesting outside the house, with seeing CM Mamata Banerjee as she has entered the house, as she is present in the last day of the monsoon session today. She has also raised questions over this issue, that there was no moment that any time was taken away from this BJP MLA to not let them speak, that the MLAs had constantly complained, stating that their time was, they were expunged only because they raised their voice against the time that was curbed from their speech. And that is when the tussle broke out. Later we have seen the LOP Shubhendu Adhikari entering the assembly and protesting again in front of Biman Banerjee, the speaker, where he said that Mihir Goswami, while during the scuffle he has broken his glasses also, and that was presented. But then the speaker, as we understand, has stated that this assembly is not a place of drama and has asked him to move away. So from yesterday, this 4 MLAs has gone up to the Hare police station, where they had made a complaint, but as of now no action from the police side has been taken. But what we understand from today's last day in the session, where Mamata Banerjee has met up with these marshals also, and TMC has responded that whatever action or the order that was taken by Biman Banerjee yesterday inside the assembly was correct, and it is not to be questioned, because BJP's only stunt is to create commotion and chaos inside the assembly, and they don't respect democracy. So
Ridhita, stay with me. Let's also tell our viewers more details of what had happened. The 4 BJP MLAs, viewers, who were expelled by the Speaker are the Chief Whip Shankar Ghosh, Agnimitra Paul, Deepak Burman and Manoj Oran. Now, uproar began after the legislators objected to the expunging of the remarks made by Ashok Lahiri, who's a BJP MLA from Balurghat, during discussions on a bill. When the Chief Whip Shankar Ghosh asked to speak, he was not allowed by the Speaker, following which the BJP MLAs protested and they raised slogans there. The situation heated in the assembly after marshals were called in to drag the BJP MLAs outside on the Speaker's orders. The BJP claims its legislators were assaulted and manhandled. The Speaker, however, claimed that the BJP resorted to unparliamentary conduct and misbehaved with the security staff. The Trinamool Congress also accused BJP MLAs of vandalizing desks and breaking mics, after which the Speaker ordered an official inquiry to ascertain the alleged damage and promises to recover the cost of damages from the MLAs.
विधायक को बोलने नहीं दिया जा रहा है, कहीं नहीं, इसलिए ममता बनर्जी डरती है और स्पीकर भी डरता है कि पश्चिम बंगाल विधानसभा की जो कार्यवाही है वो लाइव ना हो। पश्चिम बंगाल गिने चुने उन विधानसभाओं में से एक है, वहां पे लाइव नहीं होता। क्यों? क्योंकि स्पीकर जिस तरीके से काम करते हैं, उसके शर्म के मारे स्पीकर हिम्मत नहीं जुटा पा रहा है। सरकार जिस तरीके से काम करती है, हिम्मत नहीं जुटा पा रहा है।
All right, with that, it's time for a short break. News and updates will continue on Times Now.